Welcome. I am so excited to showcase to you today an industry-leading product that we couldn't be more excited to bring to the market. This is the VMI Toyota Sienna Hybrid, and it's the first ever wheelchair accessible vehicle with all-wheel drive capabilities. Now, for those of you who have owned a wheelchair van for a while, you know this is a big deal. Our engineers have been working tirelessly to make this possible for wheelchair van owners everywhere. At VMI, it's always been a top priority for us to make our wheelchair vans beautiful and to look as close to OEM or original equipment manufacturer as possible. We've really went the extra mile with this product. You'll see the industry's first wheel well covers. This gives the vehicle a clean, crisp OEM look that seamlessly integrates into the side flares. Wheelchair users everywhere are going to love driving a vehicle that doesn't look so much like the typical wheelchair van. By adding on the wheel well covers, we've made the vehicle more aerodynamic. When you make it more aerodynamic, it improves things like fuel efficiency, which improves things like wind noise as well. Another impressive feat of this vehicle is that we are able to maintain the original Toyota suspension, giving you an uncompromised driving experience. So not only will you have the tight performance that OEM suspension offers, but the all-wheel drive electric motor will give you the traction and time when needed the most, with instantaneous electric torque. VMI has always been known for its innovation. One of the most frequent pieces of feedback from customers over the years is their desire to have a more OEM feel, fit, and finish, especially regarding the center console. I'm proud to show you now the center console has been maintained. As with any wheelchair van, it is so important that it be as accessible as possible. We are proud to say that we have maintained accessibility while at the same time with integrated OEM suspension and all-wheel drive capabilities. This is an unparalleled feat. The VMI ramp system offers an impressive 8.8 degree ramp angle, the lowest in the industry. A lower ramp angle makes it easier to enter and exit the vehicle. At 56.1 inches, the door opening height is ADA compliant. Another exclusive feature that we're proud to offer on this van is the VMI exclusive interchangeable front seats. This VMI van allows the wheelchair user to have the flexibility to either be the driver or passenger while only needing to take one seat on road trips, making it easier than ever to switch if you get tired, if you want to drive. You don't have to stick to one position through the entire trip. Also, because both seats can be removed, you can have ultimate usable space on the interior. The VMI 2021 Toyota is built to last. The conversion is built with galvanneal steel construction that is specifically made to mitigate the negative effects of corrosion and rust. And we back that up with the industry's longest rust-through and corrosion warranty for 7 years, unlimited miles, so you can be sure that your wheelchair van is going to last as long as you need it. It also features a fan favorite, VMI's #1 in-floor ramp system. Fun fact, VMI is the very first company to innovate the ramp system in the first place, and over decades of testing and iterations, we've continued to perfect it. The VMI ramp is a special combination of steel and honeycomb aluminum, making it the strongest and least flexible ramp on the market. VMI North Stars, including the 2021 Sienna North Star, feature an impressive combination of hardware as well as software that gives customers a one-touch integration for ramp deployment experience. All we have to do is hold down the OEM remote, which will trigger the software that puts everything together. And in one fluid motion, the door opens, ramp deploys, and suspension kneels. That's powered by the VMI Q, which is the brains of the conversion that integrates with the computer of the chassis to give this integrated experience. Another impressive ramp feature that we built into this vehicle is the Shore Deploy system. Customers no longer have to worry about getting stuck inside or outside their van when the battery dies, because the VMI in-floor ramp comes standard. Shore Deploy is independent from the rest of the vehicle with its own battery and software, ensuring you'll always be able to deploy or retract the ramp, even when the vehicle itself is dead. This ensures that you never have to worry about getting stuck inside your vehicle again, and it's really simple to use. Simply press the Shore Deploy button on the back seat pillar until it beeps. After it beeps, you simply hold down the in or out of the button to deploy the ramp. This feature has been designed with independent drivers in mind. We've already showed you a lot of innovative features today, but I'm going to show you yet one more. We know that accidents happen, and oftentimes wheelchair users will accidentally open their ramp onto an obstruction. Now, we've patented a feature where if it does hit an obstruction, the ramp system is automatically going to reset for you. The door closes and the system resets automatically. So in the case where you do hit a curb or another vehicle, you're not stuck with a stuck ramp. No one wants to be in that situation. I'd like to introduce you to a feature that's created a lot of buzz, and that's because it solves the age-old problem of getting parked out of your van. That means that while you're away, someone parks next to the accessible spot or on the yellow hash lines, making it impossible to access your van.
Excuse me, you're blocking entry to this wheelchair accessible vehicle. Could you please move the vehicle or object so the owner can access their vehicle? Thank you so much.
This is a peek into a video that we released when we launched ParkSmart with the Honda Odyssey, which also has this awesome feature. We've also included standard LED lighting to better illuminate the area inside the cabin. Having these areas illuminated makes a big difference in your ability to feel safe navigating into and out of your vehicle. Clearly, there's a lot to be excited about with this new Toyota Northstar. Whether you're all about the performance you'll get with the electric torque and all-wheel drive and OEM suspension, or you're all about safety and you want to protect what matters most. You want to protect your family, your friends, yourself. This is the best van in the market for you. We have built this van from the ground up to provide performance but also to be safe, having passed all crash checks on the very first attempt. The last thing I want to call attention to is that VMI is a Toyota Gold Quality rated manufacturer, meaning that we've partnered with them, their engineers, to ensure that we meet their stringent guidelines, including quality as well as safety. We can't wait for customers everywhere to experience firsthand the industry's first all-wheel drive hybrid side entry vehicle. It's a huge accomplishment, and it's taken a lot of time, care, and feedback from both customers and industry experts. Thank you so much for joining us today. We can't wait for you to experience this technological wonder for yourself. See you soon.